Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming, and on our second account we're at 11,995 trophies. So we're now able to open this 5-star lucky chest. Hope it's something good, guys. As usual, I'm always hoping for legendaries or champions, or something that I use in my clan wars or main deck. Thank you. So what's your guess, guys? I'm opening it now. Wow, 3 musketeers. Wait, I think I also got 3 musketeers from my previous video. Anyways, that's on the other account. 1,403 musketeers. Now we can upgrade it to level 15. And we got something to spend our gold on. Okay, so level 15 3 musketeers, you can now use it on rank game. Thank you for watching. What did you get? Bye bye.